Hello, welcome to Hero. The name of this video is the best way to deactivate the panic button on your Kia Soul remote. This is a smart key. It's got an actual key. It's not a push button like the newer Kias. But basically, people have tried to glue it. This is the panic button on the bottom here. Shim it in some capacity. So I decided to try to figure it out on my own. So basically, first thing you do is remove the back cover that exposes the battery, and then you see where the key ring goes. There's a tab on there, and there's two corresponding tabs. So it takes a little bit to pop the end tabs off. So you basically have a flathead screwdriver. Pull the plastic down a little bit on each tab. And then take your screwdriver, pop it out. It'll come out. All right. So the ring holder is out. Once you have the ring holder out, then you can actually look at where the panic button is. Now, I'd already removed the, you'll actually see the red horn that sits underneath this plate, or the button. So basically just pop out the button. So there you go, you got the button popped out. So this, it's basically just a spacer with a square on it that actually pushes the panic button. So it just basically clips in there. So you basically pull the clip out. So now it no longer has a plunger. Put your button back in. It should clip back in. All right, so it's back in. Then put the key ring holder. Start with the part that you used the screwdriver with. Just pop it in there. She's in. Put the battery cover back on, and you're done. So now there's no longer a spacer in order to push the panic button. Hope you found this helpful, and God bless you today.